I don't know if she's got a gun or something.
No, I don't. Oh my God.
Taser.
No, don't tase me. No. Please, please.
All right.
Okay, you're breaking my wrist.
She's reaching. Stop fucking reaching.
Stop. Please, God. Please, God.
No, she had her hands in her pocket and I felt something hard. Like, I don't...
What'd y'all get? What she grabbed? No, I mean her hands.
On March 27th, 2024, a traffic stop in Collier County, Florida escalated into a drug arrest and a use of force confrontation, raising serious questions under the Fourth and Fifth Amendments. What makes this case worth studying is the sequence of legal decisions that led there, each one either supported or undermined by clearly established law.
How we doing?
How are you?
Good. Driver's license, registration, proof of insurance. Also, ma'am, the reason why I pulled you over is you weren't wearing your seatbelt. You put it on. Driver's license, registration on you, or you have your license on you? Okay. Can we see it, please?
No. I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Wear it. I forgot to put it on.
Turn here. Wait.
I don't
Let me roll that back.
have my phone with me. I can give you my name.
Your phone's on your hand.
This is not my
Okay.
phone. This
All right, do me a favor. Unbuckle your seatbelt. Go ahead and step out for me. What are you guys doing moving in the middle? You guys are doing furtive movements in the middle. Go ahead and unbuckle your seatbelts. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
Why do you know? Why are you asking me out?
Because I'm telling you to step out. Come on. You're shaking. Get off the phone. Come on, step out.
It doesn't matter if
I'm asking you to go ahead and step out for me.
No, you aren't. No.
Go ahead and unbuckle your
haven't done
seatbelt
anything.
and step out.
Step out.
I'm recording.
That's
Okay.
fine. Come on.
So am I. You see
Keep
this?
it on. And I do not want to be touched.
Yeah, she was messing in the middle console. Both of them were.
There's a torch.
Yeah.
No, this
Where's
is
your
ridiculous.
ma'am? Where's your ID at?
I told you I left my phone.
Okay,
out.
that's
Oh
fine.
wait, I got it in my
Oh, you
pocket.
do? Okay.
I spilled soda on my
No
butt.
problem. No problem. That's Linquist, right? Linquist. Yeah, that's Linquist.
You'll have to get his identification.
Okay. You're from Naples?
Yes.
All right.
Original.
Let me. Yes. So listen, what it is, you weren't wearing a seatbelt. I'm just going to issue a warrant. I'm not going to even cite you, okay?
Okay.
So, and that's it. So just relax. You see
And
a
I'm
little
not.
nervous.
No, I shake. That's
okay.
the way I
No
am.
problem, no problem.
And you guys came. To be honest, you came at the car like aggressive.
Right,
And
okay.
I don't understand why.
Okay.
Over a seatbelt,
Yeah.
it was very, very
Right.
aggressive.
So that the reason why I pulled you over is you have no seatbelt. Okay. Also, this vehicle, I got to check, but was probably involved like some type of retail theft. So we'll talk about that a little bit later. You might not have. Does this belong to you?
Yeah, this is my
Okay,
car, and it
okay.
wasn't involved in a retail theft.
Okay.
That's
Well, like I
for
said, we'll
sure.
talk about that later. But I pulled you over because you weren't wearing a seatbelt. So I'll deal with that, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Rodrigo, can we start working on our warning? Hey, ma'am, stay right here. Just give her a warning.
Why did y'all do that?
Why?
I'm like so like. Rah.
Were you here? You were here. You were here yesterday.
No, I wasn't here yesterday.
You weren't here yesterday?
Your car was.
Your car was.
Oh, at Walmart?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what that's about.
Who
No, I
was
don't.
driving your car yesterday?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
If I show you a picture, can you tell me who he is?
Absolutely not. I'm not. No.
No? Okay.
Look, I'm not. No offense, but I'm not a police officer.
Okay.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
And this is your car?
Yeah, this is my car.
So it was used in a crime yesterday.
No, my car was not used in a crime. That is for sure
Okay.
not what happened.
Okay.
I'll show you.
100%.
Hang on. Hang on.
To prove to you.
The crime?
That's your car, right?
Y'all are harassing me.
No, I'm not harassing you, man.
What does that prove?
Okay. What that proves is that car, the picture of that car, was taken by the manager at Walmart when an individual that was shoplifting got in it to leave.
Someone that was shoplifting got in my car leaving Walmart?
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely not true. Do you have video from Walmart
Yeah.
proving
Yeah.
that? No. No, because I was present in my car when this car left Walmart and there was no one that shoplifted in my car. No.
Yeah.
He was not in my car when we left.
Okay. Well,
I'm telling you he wasn't.
no. If that's what
That's
you're
the
sticking
truth.
to, that our investigation shows different. Okay.
Right.
So here's the thing.
Sorry
I've been-
about the seatbelt.
I have been as honest with you as I can be. Okay. It's your choice if you want to reciprocate or not.
I'm telling you, no one who shoplifted is leaving in my car.
From grandma bought it yesterday. So I'm confident because I know for a fact.
So the folks at Walmart are just in the habit of taking pictures of random cars.
And
Well,
just
why didn't they
accusing
take
people.
a picture of the guy hitting in the random car?
He took
Where
a
is
picture of the car that the guy got into and was leaving.
Where's that picture?
What is the video surveillance footage? I mean, obviously you got something to hide. So
No,
I mean,
don't.
you know who the guy is. I mean, it's
I don't have anything.
it's.
I told you, I'm not a police officer. It's not my job to look at stuff like that and help you.
Right.
I have a right to say no.
Okay,
You
you-
can ask.
You have the
Not
right, but if
deny.
you come to my county and you commit crimes here, this is going to happen every single time,
I don't commit crimes.
and we're going to know when you're here.
I
Okay.
don't commit crimes.
Well, obviously, this vehicle, like I said, there's video surveillance footage of that individual going into Walmart. And like you said, it's not your job to help us identify the person, but obviously he used your vehicle or was in your vehicle.
No, he did not use my vehicle. This is my car.
Hey, Danielle, is this your current address in Naples? Or you don't live there anymore?
That is what you call a safe address.
Safe address?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's a good address.
Yes.
Okay. Danielle, do you have the registration on the vehicle? Thank you, ma'am. All right, I appreciate it.
You need the insurance?
No, I'm good. All right, thank you. Just step back there. I'm just going to close the door.
Oh, hold on a second.
All right. All right. I'll be right done with this, okay? This little lady's got a dog in there. Want to stay with her?
Yeah.
Actually,
Do me a favor, go ahead and step over here. They're going to run the dog around your car. All right, right here's good. Yeah, watch her.
So do you usually let people borrow your car, or is it always just you driving? No, no one was borrowing my car yesterday. I was sick yesterday. I was no one. Okay. Yeah.
Go ahead and shoot your dog, because I don't want to hurt the dog. But I also want to see my guys. There's a dog in there.
Yeah.
So go ahead and get your dog secured. Don't remove anything else in there.
He'd be the guy to talk to.
They might do the border white now with a beard, wearing a yellow vest. He was heading west on towards Lake Hazard.
Yeah, man, if you just stay over here, just wait till they're done. That's done.
10:15. 10:15.
Alright, man. Go ahead, do me a favor, put your hands behind your back.
What am I being arrested for?
You found something. Sorry.
Oh, the 10.
I want a card?
Relax.
She's reaching! She's reaching! Stop fucking reaching!
I got her.
Stop reaching! She's reaching for something! Stop! She's reaching! Right there! Got it! Get it! Get it!
We got it. Ma'am. Ma'am.
I don't know if she's got a gun or something. Yeah. Taser.
No, don't take me! No! Please!
All right.
Okay, you're breaking my wrist!
Stop fighting.
Please!
All right, listen up.
Stop fighting.
We're gonna turn. You're gonna put your belly out there. You're not gonna do nothing.
Oh, please, God! Please, God!
Got it.
Please,
Yep.
God!
All right. There you go. Relax.
You hurt? They beat my... Yeah, beat my face. Oh my God!
All right. Do you have a bag? Give me a bag.
Check her real good because I felt something
Yeah,
hard.
She was reaching for. That's part.
Is
where
that
she
it?
got it out. Yeah.
What do you have in your pants?
We got it.
Please, my arm.
That.
Please. I'm done. Please don't hurt me. I'm done. Watch out. Punch me in my face like that. Please get off my knee.
All right. You gonna be all right? We're gonna get you up,
Yeah.
okay? All right. Come lean this way. This way. There you go. There you go. Now.
I have water in the car. Can
All
I
right.
get a drink of water?
All right. Listen to me.
Please.
She can go back to the car now.
I got
Do you have?
water.
Hey, she's got to
Can I
finish
get a
searching
drink?
her. Do you have anything else on
No.
you? Okay. She's gonna have to search you. Okay. So go do your thing, Millie. She pulled it out of here somewhere. Where was that?
What'd y'all get?
Meth.
She grabbed. No, I mean
I'm
her
not
pants.
unjust.
Oh,
Please don't break my arm.
We're past that point now.
Please don't break my arm.
We're past that point now. No, she had her hands in her pocket and I felt something hard. Like, I don't know what it is.
Yeah. So just relax, okay?
And with these situations, we don't know a gun, knife. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, she had her. But listen.
Should she have those around you?
Eileen Lee.
I understand that. But should you?
Copy 1051. Was your KDM she called in?
We're past that point now.
Yeah, but I'm not fighting you.
We're past that point.
I'm not fighting you.
Just listen.
Why are you doing this?
We're past that point.
No, please stop.
We're past that point now, so you need to chill.
No, he's
stop.
hurting me.
Listen, stop. We don't know what you're reaching for, if it's a gun, a
I'm
knife.
not moving. I'm only moving because he's hurting me.
I'm talking to you
Y'all
civilly.
are
Listen,
insane.
I'm talking to you civilly. You talk to
Oh,
me
look at
civilly.
how I'm being treated. Civil, look at my face. Does that look
Stop.
civil?
Stop.
Yeah, real civil! God damn it! The wrong with y'all?
You're the only one acting childish.
Just go ahead and search real quick, and we'll put her in the car.
She's got her.
Just go ahead and do it now.
She had a knife.
A knife? Okay.
Yeah, the knife. Millie, where'd you find the knife at?
Right pocket.
Right,
Damn,
right,
she's
right,
scared
right,
the fucking
yeah.
shit out of Mike. Stop moving. Stop moving.
Alright, that's it.
She's got something else in her shoes.
I don't have nothing else.
Work for us.
Alright.
Just let it back in the car. Yeah.
Please don't.
Anybody got water?
I'm waiting for that.
One was asking for water. I don't know why.
Got a earring right there.
Yeah.
Man,
Huh?
fucking Apple Watch.
Magnetic.
Huh?
Got a magnetic box.
Magnetic box? Okay.
dope in there?
It's got a good amount in there.
Yeah.
I smell weed.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I got baggies.
The stop is legally clean. Florida Statute Section 316, 614 authorizes officers to stop a vehicle for seatbelt non-compliance. That single observation provides sufficient probable cause. The stop's validity is not in question. Pennsylvania versus Mims, 1977, gives officers authority to order the driver out of any lawfully stopped vehicle as a matter of course. Maryland versus Wilson, 1997, extended that right to all passengers. Both exit orders here were lawful. The exit order came within 30 seconds of first contact, before any document exchange. That is lawful under Mims and Wilson, but it compressed the window for a cooperative interaction and set an adversarial tone from the start. The refusal to identify the shoplifting suspect was constitutionally protected. The Fifth Amendment, reinforced by Salinas versus Texas, 2013, includes the right to decline providing information to law enforcement. Citizens have no legal duty to assist active criminal investigations. Recording law enforcement in public is protected First Amendment activity. The officer acknowledged it without objection, which was correct. Interference with civilian recording has been held unconstitutional across multiple federal circuits and creates serious civil liability. The K-9 deployment is where the legal analysis gets serious. Rodriguez versus U.S., 2015, held that officers cannot extend a traffic stop beyond its mission solely to conduct a dog sniff, absent independent, reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Rodriguez requires one key determination. Was the stop's mission complete before the dog arrived? Here, the warning was still being processed when the K-9 deployed. That keeps the stop within the Rodriguez framework, but only barely. Illinois versus Caballes, 2005, established that an exterior dog sniff of a lawfully stopped vehicle is not a Fourth Amendment search. Detecting contraband implicates no legitimate privacy interest. The sniff here was permissible. Once the dog alerts, Florida versus Harris, 2013, controls. A reliable K-9's positive alert provides probable cause for a full warrantless vehicle search. From that moment, officers had complete legal authority to search without a warrant. The search of the subject's person following arrest is governed by United States versus Robinson, 1973. A lawful custodial arrest authorizes a full search of the arrestee's person. Contraband found during that search is admissible and supports independent charges. The use of force is analyzed under Graham versus Connor, 1989. The Supreme Court held that the reasonableness of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. Graham weighs three factors: the severity of the crime, the threat to officer safety, and active resistance. When force escalated, the subject was reaching toward her body during arrest initiation, a knife was in her pocket, and methamphetamine was concealed on her person. Graham also requires force to remain proportionate at each moment throughout the restraint. Reported injuries to the subject's wrist and face, with no medical check offered on scene, warrant a proportionality review against Florida's Department of Law Enforcement use of force policy. The charges are grounded in Florida law. Drug possession is charged under Section 893.13. Paraphernalia falls under Section 893.147. Resisting without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor under Section 843.02.
See this? This is underneath this seat, so I don't know whatever it is. Syringes, a key.
Little torch.
Yeah. Yeah, a little torch. What are the keys for? Is there a key box somewhere?
For Wikipedia 30.
All right. So what it was she had in her. No, I'm telling you. What she had that I thought could have been a gun was a knife. She had a pocket knife in her. But she wasn't trying to reach for the pocket knife. I don't think so. She was trying to reach for a big bag of dope. Big bag of. So, like a big bag of. So. Yeah. Yeah, she had it in her, I guess. That's why she kept reaching, and then that's where we felt something hard. But she had the knife in her pocket, but the metal was right in her crotch, so it felt like she was reaching for the gun or knife, whatever it was. Knife.
She's been with me.
Yeah, I have no idea.
And I'm sorry. Hey, can I take her off the pavement?
Yeah. Let's go over here. You don't have a leash over here?
No, I don't.
Hey, has he been searched?
Not yet.
Yeah, there was needles underneath where he was sitting and everything. So, huh? This? You're diabetic? Oh.
What's that? Huh? We'll take care of it in a minute. If that's all there's in there, cigarette, I'm not worried about that. We're just gonna do a quick search and then I'm good with that.
Let him put the dog in that car real quick while we search him.
Okay.
Unless you don't think so.
Yeah, no, I'm good with that.
You want to go ahead and pick her up? Yep. I grabbed this. Okay.
You got gloves?
Yes, sir. Yep.
He was driving, and she was the passenger. She didn't have a seatbelt on.
Okay. That's her car, though.
That's what he said. She said it's her car.
Hey, Jimmy, is this your car or hers?
It's her car.
Her car? Okay. Let's go ahead and get consent from her if you turn the car over to him.
Okay.
Before we head out.
10-4. So far, we're good on him, other than just a little marijuana? Yeah,
And the marijuana was even on her side, I think.
Okay. Yeah, but we're not going to hook him for a small marijuana. Where's she at?
On car.
Seems that this was in the right front pocket.
Right front pocket?
Notated for one.
That's real nice. Flip that over. That's real
Yeah,
nice.
I know. I had background. Anything back on the female I ran? Whose phone is this, Jimmy? Okay, there you go, sir.
Thank you.
So you're diabetic?
It's on my driver's license.
Okay. They're not, nothing's.
Nothing being.
Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. Yeah, you're good.
That right there is not going to happen.
All right.
What's a good phone number for you, just if we need to reach
We'll
you?
put this right back where it was. Jimmy, this came out of the black box, so you can have it, and then there's the keys. She said you're good to take off. What's her address?
1100 West Hickory.
1100 West Hickory? Okay, can you write that down? Your boyfriend, girlfriend? I don't know why she did all that.
Me neither, man.
I mean, she had some meth on her, but that's probably why.
Man, I'm trying to figure out where in the that came from, because she's been with me and she hasn't had nothing.
I don't know. You good?
All right, we're gonna cut him loose. Is it okay if he takes your car?
Yeah, you can take it. Can I get my phone, please? So
Yeah,
I can have his phone number.
Okay, which one's your phone?
The one with the green case.
The one with the green case? Okay. You good? Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. I'm not gonna question. Listen, I'm not gonna question you about what's going on. I just want to make sure that you understand the reason we acted the way we acted was we felt what was either a firearm or a knife on you, and you were reaching. So we didn't realize that the knife was actually in your pocket, but you were reaching in your crotch. And that's the reason we did the force that we did. You know, I'll be straight up. Listen. Calm down. You scared the shit out of me. Because I thought, listen, calm down. I figured you were reaching for something that was going to hurt us the way you were fighting. Because at that point, the gig's done. Everything's done.
Why can't you just let me go for this? Look at my face, please.
Listen. We're past that point. You know, all we wanted to know was who the guy was, and this probably would have went. This probably would have went a different direction. I just want you to understand.
I don't know him, and I don't answer questions for love.
Okay.
It's not an issue with you or anyone else.
Right.
It's
That's
my
just the
right.
way you are. Okay.
It's my right.
Okay. Calm down. You said it's okay for him to have the car, right?
Yeah, I need
and your green phone. Okay.
The primary officer receives a B-. The stop, exit order, K-9 deployment, and post-arrest explanation were all professionally handled. The grade drops for the premature exit order and for implying that exercising a constitutional right would have produced a different outcome. Backup officers receive a C+. The initial force response to a perceived weapon reach was reasonable. Profanity during restraint was unprofessional, and dismissing injury complaints without a medical evaluation raises a deliberate indifference concern under the 8th and 14th Amendments. The subject driver receives a C+. Invoking Fifth Amendment rights and asserting the right to record were legally correct. The grade reflects the severe judgment failure of carrying methamphetamine and a knife on her person during an active law enforcement encounter. The male passenger receives a B+. He remained calm, cooperated fully, gave a credible medical explanation for the syringes near his seat, and did not interfere with the arrest. His conduct is a textbook example of de-escalation through compliance. Every encounter like this carries lessons that go beyond the specific facts, for civilians and law enforcement alike. Here are 5 takeaways grounded in what the law actually requires. Lesson 1. A K-9 on scene does not automatically mean a legal search. Under Rodriguez v. U.S., 2015, the dog cannot be deployed after the stop's mission is complete without independent reasonable suspicion. Know when that window closes. Lesson 2. You have no legal obligation to identify or assist in the investigation of a third party. The Fifth Amendment protects that refusal. Declining to answer questions is not obstruction, and officers cannot lawfully penalize you for invoking that right. Lesson 3. Any movement toward your body during an arrest initiation is legally interpreted as a potential weapon reach. Under Graham v. Connor, that perception alone justifies force escalation. Once an arrest begins, hands go behind your back. Dispute everything else in court. Lesson 4. First Amendment recording rights do not suspend your other legal obligations. You may record while complying with a lawful exit order and keeping your hands visible. The rights stack. They do not replace each other. Lesson 5. A K-9 alert triggers probable cause to search the vehicle and incident to arrest under Robinson, your person. Concealing contraband does not eliminate exposure. It eliminates every legal defense available and directly produces the force confrontation that follows. If there is a body cam interaction or a legal question you want analyzed, drop it in the comments below. If this breakdown was useful, hit subscribe and we will keep bringing you cases that matter.